Enhanced full machine simulation. In ZW3D 2023, full machine simulation has been remarkably improved. For example, mill-turn type machine has been added and support 5-axis index milling simulation. Select all operations to simulate its machining process by full machine simulation. In ZW3D 2023, the full machine simulation option is moved to the output interface. This is the new machine, 4x mill-turn. And take the Haas control system as example and then enter full machine simulation. Let's follow the steps to see how it works. Step 1. Set workpiece frame. Step 2. Set the machine to a register. Step 3. Set up tools in the new turret interface. Then, run it until processing is complete. Support 5-axis index milling simulation. As you can see, 2 processes have been selected. Here are the datum coordinates system. And then enter full machine simulation. In this case, just set the tool register. Then run it. You can adjust the position during operation and check the operations of the machine. It can be seen this is the indexing processing code G68.2, and the machine is performing indexing processing at this time. Keep running. New machine types and indexing processing make the full machine simulation more powerful.